Hi friends, I Shruti Bhutani welcome you all to our one and only Bundar English. आज के भी हमारे as always दो topics हैं. The first one is apostrophe. Apostrophe is a small little mark that we put against a word to show the relationship between the subject and the object. For example, we have two kinds of apostrophe. First is when we talk about a singular subject and second is when we talk about the plural subject. पहले हम बात करेंगे singular की. जब हम singular की बात करते हैं और जब मुझे ऐसा कुछ कहना है कि this is Ram's book, राम apostrophe S, राम की किताब, यह राम की किताब है. जब ऐसा कुछ हमें बताना है कि ये चीज उससे बिलोंग करती है या उससे बिलोंग करती है, तब हम apostrophe और S लगाते हैं. So yeah, some examples are given over here. Like, I took Geeta's book. This is my father's mobile. They are my brother's friends. These are my sister's ornaments. The magician's name was Mr. Das. The magician's last trick was very nice. Rudraksh's school has 2 gates, etc., etc. Many more examples have been given to you over here. Now, this was when we talk about a singular subject. Now, talking about the plural subjects, when we have something like girl's book, when we have a word that already has S in the end, means the plural words, we do not put apostrophe and then S. We just put apostrophe in the end. For example, this is girls' school. लड़कियों का स्कूल है. यह एक लड़कियों का स्कूल है. Examples are Rupali studies in DAV Girls College. Rupali DAV Girls College में पढ़ती है. Some more examples are Poonam goes to DAV Girls College. She studies in Hindu Girls School. Rupali studies in Hindu Girls College. This is judges, parking. This is children, apostrophe and then S. Here you see, when we have the word children, children is already a plural subject, whereas we use apostrophe and then S. The reason is children does not have S in the end. So the words that have S in the end take up only the apostrophe, whereas the words that do not take up S in the end then take up apostrophe as well as S. For example, girls only apostrophe, not S. And a word like girl takes up apostrophe as well as S. So yeah, this was when we talk about apostrophe. And our next topic for the day is prepositions part 4. And आज के हमारे prepositions हैं. First one is by, 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 not by, only by. Yeah. So, first preposition is by. It has multiple applications like other prepositions, and its first application is when we talk about a vehicle. For example, he went by bus / car / jeep / plane / etc. etc. any vehicle it could be. So, जब हम किसी के जाने की बात करते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल से, तब हम by का यूज करते हैं. The second application is when we talk about the passive voice. Passive voice में आपने नोट किया होगा कि हम लोग अक्सर by का यूज करते हैं. For example, he was murdered by his uncle. Second example is Ravan was killed by Ram. रावण राम के द्वारा मारा गया था. जब किसी के द्वारा कोई काम होता है तब हम by का यूज करते हैं. We'll take its third application now, and that is when we talk about a time limit. For example, I shall return by 6 o'clock. मैं 6 बजे तक वापस आऊंगा. Most probably I shall go by evening. Most probably I shall go by evening. मैं शाम तक जाऊंगा. So here you see we use the time constraints to complete a sentence, and in such sentences we use the word by. Our second word for the day is with. With मतलब किसी के साथ. First example that we see here is he is coming with me. वह मेरे साथ आ रहा है. मतलब किसी के साथ. When we use the word साथ in Hindi, we use the word with in English. He is coming with me. Second example or the second application is when we do a work using an instrument. For example, he opened the door with a key. उसने दरवाजा की से खोला. किसी चीज को यूज करके अगर कोई काम हो रहा है तब भी हम with का यूज करते हैं. For example, he opened the almirah with key. उसने अलमीरा को की से खोला. She beat him with stick. उसने stick से उसे पीटा या मारा. This was the second application of with. Now we will talk about our third word for the day and that is without. मतलब किसी चीज के बिना कोई काम हो रहा है तब हम without को यूज करते हैं. For example, I cannot live without you. I cannot live without you. And so yeah, this is first kind of application of the word without. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह सकता. तुम्हारे बिना, इसके बिना, उसके बिना. So yeah, in such sentences we use the word without. He cannot get a good job without securing high marks. वह एक अच्छी जॉब नहीं ले सकता बिना अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर किए. So here do you see we use the word bina and so we use the word without in English. We are done with our 3 words and we'll now proceed to the 4th word and that is along with. इसके साथ यह भी. जब ऐसे किसी सेंटेंसेस की बात हो तब हम along with का यूज करते हैं. For example, I will teach you English grammar along with English speaking. मैं तुम्हें English speaking के साथ साथ English grammar भी कराऊंगी. Tea will be provided to you along with biscuits. Biscuits के साथ tea भी, चाय भी provide कराई जाएगी. This was the 4th word and now we'll talk about the 5th word and that is within. इस टाइम के अंदर अंदर. For example, you are advised to return within 2 hours. तुम्हें सलाह दी जा रही है कि तुम 2 घंटे के अंदर अंदर वापस आ जाओ. I can read this book within 1 month. मैं 1 महीने के अंदर अंदर यह बुक पढ़ सकती हूँ. We are done with these words and now we will talk about the next word and that is over. The first example of over is the cat jumped over the mice. For example, this is a mice, though this is not a mice. फिर भी, assume this is a mice and this is a cat. It jumped over it. Got it. So yeah, the cat jumped over the mice. किसी के ऊपर होना after a particular motion, then we use the word over. Cat jumped over the mice. She is an over clever girl. This is the second application. Over, जब हम किसी चीज को exaggerated form में कि जरूरत से ज्यादा है कोई चीज. This glass is overfilled. ऐसे ही जब कोई चीज जरूरत से ज्यादा हो तब हम over का यूज करते हैं. For example, she is an over clever girl. वह जरूरत से ज्यादा चालाक लड़की है. Next is your time is over. Yeah, this denotes our third application of over. यह टाइम खत्म हो चुका है. The time is over. मतलब जब कोई चीज खत्म होती है तब हम over वर्ड का यूज करते हैं. Over is a synonym to finish or end. So here you read 3 applications. The first one is when something is getting onto something. The cat jumped onto the mice. The second application is when we talk about something exaggerated. मतलब जरूरत से ज्यादा कोई चीज है तब हम over का यूज करते हैं. And the third application was when something gets finished. The time is over. We are now going to talk about another word and that is above. Above has 2 to 3 applications, very basic applications. The first one is when we talk about something to some raised level. जब कोई चीज थोड़ी सी बढ़ी हो, For example, this is a particular level in which water can be filled and you want it to be filled to this level. आप चाहते हैं कि यहाँ तक भरी जाए तो fill the glass above to the marked level. Marked level से ऊपर तक glass को भरो. So the example that have been given to you over here is keep your head above water. पानी से ऊपर अपना सर रखो. मतलब एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल से ऊपर जब आपको कोई चीज की बात करनी हो तब हम above का यूज करते हैं. सेकेंड इज on the subject cited above you are requested to probe into the matter. मतलब ऊपर दिए गए सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको इस मैटर को देखना होगा। मतलब आपने एक पैराग्राफ लिखा और नीचे आपने उसको लिखने का रीजन दिया, द अबव पैराग्राफ शोज, मतलब ऊपर लिखा गया पैराग्राफ दिखाता है। तो मतलब यहाँ पर भी यू सी द एप्लीकेशन रिमेन्स क्वाइट सिमिलर कि ऊपर लिखा गया। तो बेसिकली above is used when we talk about something raised to a certain level. The third example is my officer was above 50. 50 साल से ऊपर है मेरे ऑफिसर। Our next word is off. O-F, off. Off is basically used to denote the relationship between the subject and the object. For example, she is the daughter of my teacher. वह मेरे टीचर की डॉटर है। So, sentences like these use the word of. The first example is, she is the daughter of an officer. वह एक ऑफिसर की बेटी है। This car is of Ford company. यह गाड़ी फोर्ड कंपनी की है। So yeah, ऐसे कोई भी sentences हो जिनमें noun और object में relationship बताया जाए तो उन sentences में हम of का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Now the next word that we have is off. O-F. Off का मतलब होता है बंद करना। यहाँ पर the example that have been given to you is please switch off the lights. कृपया lights off कर दीजिए, मतलब बंद कर दीजिए। तो जब भी कुछ ऐसा इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस को बंद करने की बात होती है तब हम ऑफ का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। So yeah, this was all for today and I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning English from Wonder English. Bye bye.